Hi friends, today I'm gonna use with you this new curling brush that I just received from Amazon. As you can see, these have the ceramic coat and it's a negative ions ceramic curling brush. Have this digital screen and these buttons to turn it on and adjust the temperature. One thing that I love about this curling brush is the fast heating, so you can use it so quick. And came with these accessories, this to put it when you don't use it, and this glove that you can use for your hands when you're gonna curl your hair. It's already so hot, so I'm gonna try to curl this part of my hair. My hair is completely dry. I have a little curl here. I'm gonna take less hair. Look, this curl is beautiful. I'm gonna make another. Look. So as you can see, it's so easy to use. The curls in my hair are beautiful. The temperature is perfect. Now look the difference between my hair with curls and my straight hair. So this brush gives you a beautiful colors. So if you want to have this result, I highly recommend it. See you.